Usman, how important do you think organizational change management is, and what are some of the things you have worked on at VaporVM? Could you shed some light on this topic? Great. Thank you, Pasha. So, Pasha, I think change management is a key to an organization's success if it aspires to do better business, be more customer centric, and maintain or increase operational and commercial efficiencies. But before I get into answering your question around how important I think organizational change and management is, and what are some of the projects or initiatives my team and I have worked through, I would like to just take a quick moment and describe what OCM means to me and what my process of thinking is when I sit with my team to identify what our next initiative could be. So, organizational change management, or OCM, is essentially a practice of identifying what what the organization needs. So when you sit down and think about what's missing and how, if you get it, would help you lunge forward to your next round of commercial or operational stages, enables you to narrow down on some of your wants. We did the same exact thing in 2022 when we gathered and wanted to have a brainstorm around what the organization needed. Now, as a COO of a rapidly growing organization, I'm always keen to know how I can make my business more efficient and operationally sound. And in this pursuit, one of the things that we identified was the need for an enterprise resource planning system, ERP. And I recall that we started this, of course, as I said, in 2022, but then we placed the idea on the back burner because of costs and other constraints and resources. But then we brought the idea back of implementing the ERP to the front burner in mid of 2023, and felt that we were rightly poised in terms of our commercial and organizational size to now move forward and start the process in this year. It took us almost 4 to 5 months just in identifying the right ERP and the partner who would help in implementing it. We believe that a good ERP system will help us harness our next stage of commercial activities more effectively and gain massive operational efficiencies. An ERP will help us establish a more cohesive way of working, where interconnected departments like sales, finance, and project management will communicate and work in a synchronized fashion, minimizing chances of fragmentation and disintegration in communication whenever a call of action is made. I am excited and jubilant as I move toward closing my books in 2023 and beginning the next year, knowing that we'll be starting 2024 as a more evolved, mature, disciplined, and an efficient organization. And I welcome you to join me on this journey.